Hi makers, it's Charlotte with Makesy. I'm so excited to introduce you to our perfumery starter kit today. So I'm gonna be making one of these 0.33 ounce roller balls today. One of the tools that I have is a scale, and I'm gonna set it to grams. Place your beaker on your scale and you will tear out the weights. The first one is juicy peach. Also, we're gonna use zesty raspberry. So the next one is fruity vanilla. The last accord is vanilla bean. Gonna let that just settle in for a moment. Okay, let's add our alcohol. I'm adding 7.5 grams of alcohol to this beaker. We're gonna add 2.5 grams of our fragrance to this mixture, combine it, and then we're gonna bottle it up. There you go, guys. We did it. You just created your own perfume with me. Yeah, that's so beautiful.